Oral-B Pro 3 model 3771 charging issues are extremely common, especially after 18 to 24 months of regular use. Battery degradation is the primary cause of these frustrating problems. The first troubleshooting step is cleaning the charging contacts. Toothpaste residue and mineral deposits can prevent proper electrical connection between the toothbrush and charging dock. Step 2 involves checking your power supply. The charging dock should have an LED indicator that illuminates when plugged into a working electrical outlet. If this light doesn't turn on, the problem is with your power source, not the toothbrush. The third troubleshooting step is performing a reset procedure. Place the toothbrush on the charging dock and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This can sometimes restore proper charging function. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve approximately 30% of Oral-B 3771 charging issues. If your toothbrush still won't charge after trying these methods, the problem likely requires more advanced solutions involving battery replacement or professional repair. When basic troubleshooting fails, temperature conditioning can resolve charging issues. The optimal charging environment is between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Charging cycle optimization can recondition the NIMH battery. First, completely discharge the toothbrush until it stops working, then charge uninterrupted for 24 hours. Repeat this cycle 2 to 3 times. For a permanent solution, battery replacement offers an 85% success rate. The replacement NIMH battery costs only $8 to $15, compared to $60 to $80 for a new toothbrush. Battery replacement requires technical skills, including disassembly and soldering. The process involves removing the bottom cap, extracting internal components, and carefully replacing the battery with proper polarity. Newer Oral-B models are transitioning to lithium-ion batteries and USB-C charging for improved lifespan and convenience. These modern charging systems offer better reliability and universal compatibility. Choose your solution based on your technical skills and budget. Temperature conditioning and charging optimization are free, but temporary fixes. Battery replacement offers permanent results for technically skilled users, while upgrading to newer models provides the best long-term reliability. The choice depends on your situation. For immediate relief, try temperature conditioning. For long-term value, battery replacement offers the best return on investment. Consider upgrading to newer models with lithium-ion technology for future purchases.